everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. Today we will discuss a question from a type of biasing given to BJT circuit, that is bias circuit with emitter resistor. To watch the theory part of this type of biasing, check out the link given in the description box just below this video. So today let us discuss this question. I will read it. Calculate the minimum and maximum values of IE for the biasing circuit shown below. Also calculate the corresponding values of VCE. The transistor used is germanium. This is a bias circuit with emitter resistance type of circuit. This circuit is a modification of fixed bias circuit. Only difference is that there is an emitter resistor here. So in the question we have to find IE and VCE for beta equal to 50 first. And then we have to find IE and VCE for beta equal to 200. We should note that this is a PNP transistor and it is a negative voltage that is connected here, minus 6 volt. The current through RB is IB, current through RC is IC, the current through RE is IE. This is the base, this is the collector and this is the emitter terminal. Voltage across base and emitter terminals is VB. This voltage is VC. All directions will be reverse in PNP transistor compared to NPN transistor. Now let us consider the input section and write the loop equation using KVL or Kirchhoff's voltage law. KVL says that the algebraic sum of voltages in a loop will be equal to 0. So starting from here, this connection is actually like this. Here negative terminal of the battery is connected to RB and RC. That is why it is shown as minus 6 volt here. So we have to start analyzing from here and then go to the input section first. So we can write the loop equation like this. When we go in this direction, we are going from a positive to the minus potential. So it is a decrease in potential. So this will be minus, what is the voltage here? 6 volt. And then when we go to the input section, the current is actually flowing from a higher potential to lower potential. So when we go in this direction, we are going from a minus to plus. So it is an increase in potential. So we write plus IB RB. And when we reach here again, it is an increase in potential. So we write plus VB. Again here, current is flowing from a higher potential to lower potential. So when we go in this direction, it is an increase in potential. We are going from minus to plus. So we write plus IERE equal to 0. Let this be equation 1. We know IE is equal to beta plus 1 IB. This is a relation between emitter current and the base current. So substitute this in equation 1. Minus 6 plus IB RB plus VBE plus beta plus 1 IB into RE equal to 0. I have to keep terms with IB on one side. So it will be IB RB plus beta plus 1 IB RE is equal to 6 minus VBE. I am taking IB outside. So it will be RB plus beta plus 1 RE is equal to 6 minus VBE. So IB is equal to 6 minus VBE divided by RB plus beta plus 1 RE. IE is equal to beta plus 1 into IB. So substitute this value of IB in this equation. We get IE is equal to, so this is equation 2. We can write IE is equal to beta plus 1 into 6 minus VBE divided by RB plus beta plus 1 RE. Let this be equation 3. Now consider the output section. Applying KVL and writing the loop equation here, we can write it as, here we have to write minus 6 plus ICRC, because current is flowing from a higher potential to lower potential. So when we go in this side, it is an increase in potential. Here again an increase in potential. So plus VCE. When we reach here, current is flowing from a higher potential to lower potential. So when we go in this direction, it is an increase in potential. So plus IERE is equal to 0. Let this be equation 4. We know IE is equal to beta plus 1 IB and IC is equal to beta IB. So when IE by IC is done, we get it as beta plus 1 by beta. This term is almost equal to 1, because when beta is a high value, usually suppose if I am taking beta is equal to 100, this value will be 100 plus 1 divided by 100. It will be 101 by 100, which is almost equal to 1. So IE by IC is almost equal to 1, or we can write IE is almost equal to IC. So put IE equal to IC in this equation and we will get it like this. Minus 6 plus ICRC plus VCE plus ICRE equal to 0. Now VCE is equal to 6 minus ICRC minus ICRE, or VCE is equal to 6 minus IC into RC plus RE. Let this be equation 5. Case 1, when beta equal to 50, given that VB is equal to 0.3. Because transistor used is germanium. For germanium, VB is 0.3. And RB is equal to 10 kilo ohm and RE is equal to 100 ohm. RC is equal to 50 ohm. Substitute these values in equation 3. We get IE is equal to beta is 50 plus 1. 50 plus 1 into 6 minus VB is 0.3 divided by RB is 10 kilo ohm plus beta is 50. 50 plus 1 into RE is 100. So if we simplify this, we can calculate the value of IE is equal to 19.25 milliampere. Now find VCE. VCE is equal to 6 minus IC is equal to IE. Therefore, you can substitute this IE in this equation. So, 19.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 into RC is 50 plus RE is 100. So, we can find this value. You will get it as 3.1125 volt. So, we got IE and VCE for beta equal to 50. Now, we have to find IE and VCE for beta equal to 200. Case 2, when beta equal to 200, substitute all the values in equation 3. We get IE is equal to beta is 200 here. 200 plus 1 into 6 minus VB is 0.3 divided by RB is 10K plus beta plus 1. Beta is 200 plus 1 into RE. RE is 100. So this will be, you will get the value of IE as 38.06 milliampere. Now find VCE. Substitute all the values in this equation. So we know IC is equal to IE. So you can substitute the value of IE in this equation. VC is equal to 6 minus IE is 38.06 into 10 raised to minus 3 into RC is 50. 50 plus RE is 100. So calculating this, you will get it as 0.291 volt. So we got IE and VCE for beta equal to 200. Now we can write the range of IE as 19.25 milliampere less than or equal to IE less than or equal to 38.06 milliampere. This was the value of IE for beta equal to 50 and this was the value of IE for beta equal to 200. So this will be the range of IE and the range of VCE will be 0.291 volt less than or equal to VCE less than or equal to 3.1125 volt. So this is the value of VCE for beta equal to 200 and this is the value of VCE for beta equal to 50. So this is how you solve a question like this. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.